Hi, I'm Brianne, and I've lost 37 pounds on the Skinny Seattle program. When I first came in, I was feeling awful. I wasn't sleeping, I wasn't very active, I wasn't living my life to its fullest, and I was feeling pretty miserable. Also had a lot of fear coming in, not knowing what to expect, not having been able to have sustainable weight loss in the past, so I was really afraid of the unknown. In the past, my experiences with weight loss would be with other programs or even dieting, restricting calories on my own, and I would lose maybe a pound or two in a couple of weeks, and then I would just start packing pounds back on. It was extremely difficult to lose weight up until this point. Since I started the program, I sleep better, my GI issues have cleared up, I'm way more active, and things that I had done in the past are a lot easier physically on me now. I've lost several sizes in clothing. It's just amazing. My family and friends are just blown away seeing the changes that I've gone through. My husband is over the moon excited and proud of me, and my friends are super excited and asking me, how did you do it? What did you do? And I've been telling them all that came to Dr. Panna and did the Skinny Seattle program. I have to say one of the best things about the program was seeing results right away. But seeing the results and seeing them almost every day was amazing, and knowing that what I was doing was working. I learned a ton about what foods work for my body. I've learned that fats are my friend, and learned more about what my body really needs to function. For the first time, too, feeling like this weight isn't coming back, and I know what to do from here on out. The support that I received through the program was amazing. Dr. Panna was available by email anytime. He usually got back to me within an hour or two. And it could be whatever, whether it was emotional or just a question about the program, he was very supportive. I would tell them definitely give it a try, because really you have nothing to lose, and that the guarantee makes it worth it alone.